Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. In this tutorial, I will tell you some principles to create a professional and effective business card. So first, keep it simple and easy to read. Second, use a clean and minimal design with clear and legible fonts. Third, avoid using too many colors, fonts or images that can make your card look cluttered and confusing. 4. Avoid including irrelevant details such as personal hobbies or social media handles. 5. Invest in high quality paper or cardstock that feel substantial and durable. 6. A thicker and heavier card can help make a strong first impression and communicate professionalism. 7. Include only essential information. 8. Include your name, job title, company name, phone number, email address and website. 10. Use a consistent brand identity. Use the same fonts, colors and design elements as your company branding to create a cohesive and professional look. 11. This can help reinforce your brand identity and make you more memorable. 12. Make it unique. Add a unique touch to your card such as a custom illustration or a clever tagline. 13. Consider the layout. The layout of your business card can impact its effectiveness. 14. Place important information such as your name and job title in a prominent location and leave enough white space for your card to be easily readable. 15. Proofread carefully. Make sure to proofread your card for any spelling or grammatical errors before printing. 16. A typo can make you look unprofessional and damage your credibility. So I hope you will learn a lot from this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share to friends. Thank you.